do a financial roundup to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about this day. Yesterday we looked at the contribution area and aspect of our business and our life, and we paid attention to where we were and how far we've come in the area of contribution. Today we are looking at our financial health of our business, health and well-being, and however you define that. And I went back and looked at where did I rate that at the beginning of the year on a scale of 1 to 10. I gave myself a 4 minus. And where did I rate it now? I just did this like a week or so ago. We all did. And I rated myself a 5. Now, average. I don't like being average. I don't know about you, but I don't like being average at all. So definitely need some work in that area. As far as priorities, beginning of the year, I rated this my 9th, meaning my least priority thing. And guess what happened? By rating it my least priority thing, I didn't pay much attention to it. I just flowed through the year and let the chips kind of fall where they may. Not the best strategy, right? Especially when it comes to supersizing and growing and building our businesses. And then when I just did this a week ago, I rated myself a 7, meaning this has got to come up the priority list and I have to spend time and energy on it. So one of the first things I did was I joined a 6-month challenge that's focused on monetization. So today, what are we going to do? We're going to add a couple of things to our roundup, and it doesn't have to take a lot of time. You should be able to do this in about 5 minutes because we were just looking for 3 things. We're going to look for 3 things. The first is, what are 3 wins that you had during the year with respect to your business finances or your money? What is the number one biggest challenge you feel like you're facing in growing and building and supersizing your business right now? And just write those down. Don't think about them, just write them down. And then finally, 3 things for next year, the new year, that you are committed to doing or seeing come into your reality in your business before the end of next year. And I picked, I'll share mine right now. I was going to wait and share them as a comment, but I'll share them now. Number 1, monetize my school Supersize Your Business community. Number 2, and that ties into the challenge I'm doing too, so win-win. Number 2, monetize the next year's annual challenge. I have never sold my annual challenge before. Next year, I'm going to do that. I'll probably share bits and pieces of it, but I won't be sharing it all over social media every single day. And thirdly, I want to help 20 business owners to supersize their business by being part of our mastermind and to send 3 of them to our Supersize Your Business Inner Circle. That's it. Those are the ones, and I plan on doing much, much more, but I want to set myself up for success in 2026 and next year by having those things already in my mind. Because guess what? As soon as we identify what it is that we want and we know we're not there yet, we automatically start moving toward that. The more we think about, the more we focus on what we want, the more that comes into our life. So today, I challenge you to do the same thing. What are your 3 biggest wins from last year? What is your number 1 and only one? Because we're going to knock challenges out one at a time next year. We're not going to brainstorm a whole list of them, pick one and then work on it. We're going to pick one for each area and work on it as part of the annual challenge, as well as part of the work that I'm doing in the Supersize Your Business School community. And then 3, what are 3 things that you're committed to doing next year or achieving by the end of next year with respect to your business finances? Share in the comments below. You don't have to share them all, but just share at least that you did it by putting done. Any questions about this? All you have to do is ask. Well, make it an awesome day, and I will, of course, do it tomorrow. Bye. I have a slow connection. Imagine that. Slow connections, slow connections.